Are you looking for an easy way to find JavaScript setting for your Edge browser? Hey everyone, welcome to Izoate. To find the JavaScript setting, you will need to go to Setting by clicking these three dots. Then go to Privacy, Search and Services. After that, tap on Site Permission and then All Permissions. In this window, you will find JavaScript setting. By default, it is all on. However, you can control it by tapping it on or off or adding website in its list. However, if you're getting trouble to finding these options, go to our website, link in comment and description. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe us.